Okay.
What do you do to relax?
I like to planting plant.
I like to plant.
I like to plant when I feeling bored.
Whenever I feel bored.
Whenever I feel bored. Other than this, I like to went outside.
I like to go outside.
I like to go outside with my friends or traveling.
Okay, listen. Whatever you have spoken, you did not link it with the main topic.
Okay.
What was the question? Do you remember what was the question?
Yes.
What was the question?
What do you like to relaxing?
What do you do
What
to
do you
relax?
like?
But you did not link gardening
Okay.
and going out with friends with relaxation. For example, I go outside with my friends and this is what relaxes me the most. Whenever I chat with my friends, we talk, we laugh. This thing makes me feel very, very good. So to answer your question, in order to give myself some minutes of relaxation, I go out with my friends. Okay? You need to link your answer with the main question. Let's go on.
Do you think students need more relaxing time?
Kindly repeat.
Do you think students need more relaxing time?
Yes. I think.
Do you think students need more relaxing time? Yes, I
Yes,
think
I think.
students work very hard and they are often bored with their studies. So they need more time to relax themselves and all that. ठीक है, बाहर जाना है कि नहीं? जाना है ना, तो पूरे एक्टिव हो, थोड़ा चकन्ने हो. Yeah.
Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
Yes, of course. Sports is good for mental health and
Sports is good for mental health.
mental health. Mental health. It's recharge our batteries.
All right.
So we find refresh our mind.
All right. So after recharging your batteries, we feel relaxed. So
Relax
please
our
relaxation bhi laye na beech mein. Okay? So
Okay.
you need to link. I mean, at the moment, your answers are in the air.
Okay.
They are not connected with the question. Connectivity. ठीक है? Focus करें. आपकी English बुरी नहीं है.
Okay.
आप भी बुरे नहीं है. ठीक है? Practice चाहिए बस. You need practice. Okay?
Inshallah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.